I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the target frame and placing a 44px high rectangle at the very top. This is your status bar canvas. Once placed, give it a fill that matches your design and optionally a 0. 5px stroke for crisp edges because devices render thin lines differently. Make sure rulers and the pixel grid are on so you snap to whole pixels. Then lock the parent frame to avoid accidental moves. This keeps your status bar anchored while you add content. You now place the time text in the center and use a system font at the exact pixel size for clarity. This maintains device-native appearance. Next, craft small icons, signal bars, Wi-Fi, and battery, either by drawing simple shapes or importing lightweight SVGs so they scale cleanly. Once icons exist, group them in an auto layout row on the right with 8px spacing and set constraints. Center for the time and right for the icon group. This makes the bar responsive across widths. You finish by converting the status bar into a component so you can reuse it across frames, create variants for light and dark states, and name them clearly. Then replace existing bars with instances, tweaking overrides like contrast color or time text as needed without breaking layout. Make sure constraints and auto layout are preserved so the element adapts to different widths. If something goes wrong, check the pixel grid, grouping padding, and constraints first. Fixing those resolves most misalignment and scaling issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.